Today's video is going to be on Cor Bon's 90 grain 9mm plus P. This has a listed velocity of 1500 feet per second, which is close to 357 Magnum power. We're going to see what we get out of it. We're going to test it out of a full-size Taurus G3 and a compact Taurus G2C. See what kind of velocity we get out of the two guns. We're going to test it on a chronograph. We're going to test it through some ballistics gel to see what kind of expansion and penetration we get. We're going to shoot a melon to see what kind of entrance and exit wound we get, and a water jug to see a transfer of energy. So this should be interesting. Let's see what it can do.
$1,395, $1,398, $1,389, $1,385. $1,457, $1,467, $1,430, $1,405, $1,468.
So it expanded immediately upon entering the block, 3 inches wide at its widest point, and carried on about 6 inches through with that permanent damage. A lot of fragmentation on this bullet, both jacket and core, and it came to rest just about 11.5 inches. So after firing this Cor Bon, I have mixed feelings. Let me start off with the good points. It had a listed velocity of 1500 feet per second. and I got 1445 out of the full size. That's only 55 feet shy of the advertised, and a little over 100 feet per second slower for the compact. I averaged 1391 feet per second. The accuracy was good. It was better out of the shorter barrel. It expanded well. It penetrated decently. No risk of over penetration. And it was about a little over $17 a box, so all that was good. What wasn't good was the reliability. I had 3 fails out of 20 rounds, and it was pretty much one each magazine that I loaded. Don't know what happened the first time. I re-racked the slide and it worked. But the second one, the bullet was pushed down in the case. I put a picture of it in the video. And that wasn't able to be fired again because the pressure would be too high. I don't know if that was a factory defect or if somehow my gun pushed it farther down into the case. I will probably buy another box and retry and maybe change my opinion, but I cannot recommend this as carry ammunition. The reliability alone made it fail the test for me. So, thanks for watching.